Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Insight Academy. They are offering medical coding training and certifications. Their curriculum include ICD-10, CM, CPT, HIPEX. These are the important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. Also anatomy and psychology. But they are not covering AI, which is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage. The duration is for 70 hours and the mode of training is online. Okay, they have highly skilled trainers, one-on-one expert sessions, also placement assistance they are giving. So these are the plus points. And this is it. They haven't mentioned anything else. They should have briefly described about the curriculum. If I talk about the curriculum is good, but they haven't mentioned anything briefly. So now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, they haven't mentioned anything. I guess they are not aligned with AAPC. So I would give this 0. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. The curriculum was good. They have the main topics. They are covering the main topics, but AI part is missing, and AI is the most important topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So I would give this 0.3. Qualified and experienced instructors, they have highly skilled trainers. So I would give this 1. Practical training and case studies, they haven't mentioned anything. So 0. Certification exam preparation, they will prepare you. They have mentioned about the mock exam preparation. So I can give 0.4. Internship at job placement assistance, nothing was mentioned. So 0. Access to updated coding books and software, nothing was mentioned. So 0. Flexible learning options. Okay, the mode of training they have is online. So I would give this 0.5. Student reviews and success rate, it is there. You may check it out by yourself. So I would give this 1. Course fees, duration, and payment option. The duration is for 70 hours, but course fees they haven't mentioned. So I would give this 0.3. Okay, so total we have here is just 3.5, and the ranking itself is very less, and they haven't described anything briefly. In fact, the curriculum is also not briefly described. So as per me, I would not suggest this institute. If you're serious about your career in medical coding field and searching for the best institute that covers all these parameters, then already the link is in the description. You may check that out. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.